Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So today I am doing a different kind of video than what I normally do. So Safe and Chic every once in a while has mystery boxes, and what you do is you purchase a box, you fill out a few questions about some of your preferences for makeup, skincare, hair care, etc. And then they send you a box with different products in it that they pick out. And I'm normally not into this sort of thing, but I saw Erin from A Greener Kind of Life get one of these boxes around the holidays, and I was really impressed by the products she got in the box. And so I decided when I saw that they had some available to go ahead and try one for myself. And so I'm going to be unboxing it for you, and it is completely sealed up. I have not undone it. You can see it's still taped up on the side. So I have absolutely no idea what's in here. So what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to open it up, we can look at the products, I can tell you my thoughts on what I got, I can swatch things that can be swatched, and then I think I will do an update video about the products in this box later on so I can let you know how I am liking them or not liking them. I did go ahead and purchase the box that was $75 and it came with $150 worth of products. So it is quite a bit of product and it was pretty pricey, but actually these were released on the day that I found out that I got offered a job that I had really been wanting. And so this is kind of a treat to myself box. So that's how I ended up with this, and I'm really excited to see what's in here. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so now I'm actually into the box. I'll just pull things out as I see them. Oh, first off, they have a whole bunch of these packing peanuts inside, and one of the things I really like about Safe and Chic is these are the biodegradable packing peanuts, so if you get them wet, they completely dissolve in water. I believe they're made from rice, so that's really cool, more environmentally friendly. I really appreciate that. And I do see some samples on top here. This box didn't actually come with any samples itself. All the products in here are full size, but Safe and Chic always does send some samples with orders. So I got a sample of the Rawa Colorful Conditioner and Shampoo. This is a nice size of sample. As you can see, it's pretty large, so I'm gonna be able to probably get 2 uses out of these. So that'll be nice. It's kind of hard to tell sometimes with shampoo if you can only get 1 use out of the product, so this will be fun to try out. And I really haven't tried much from Rawa. I also got a sample of the Vapor Illusionist Concealer, but it is in the shade 020, which is just too dark for me. But, and I have tried this out before, it's okay, it's not my favorite, but the shade is not gonna work. All right, and then a few more samples, and this are, oh, the Inner Sense Quiet Calm Curl Control sample. Also the Osmia Active Gel Toner sample, and the Osmia Face Cream sample. Those were all the samples that were just included with the order, so now I'm going to jump in and show you what actually came in the box. Something with a lot of bubble wrap, so let's see what's actually under here. This is the Hip Chic Liquid Gold Bath and Body Oil. So this is avocado oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, rosemary extract. You can use this on your body as a body oil after you shower, for instance. You can also put some in the bath as a bath oil. They did ask if I wanted a body oil, a body lotion, or a body scrub. I really didn't have a lot of experience with body oils, so I requested body oil because I thought I would try it out. And I've not heard of this brand, Hip and Chic Organics, so I'm excited to try out a new brand that I don't really know anything about. I'm gonna smell this for you guys. Let's see what this smells like. It's got a nice scent. It smells fresh. I don't know exactly how else to describe it. It's not really heavily scented, which is quite nice. It just kind of smells, you know, like some oils. And the next thing I saw in here was this packaging. And you guys know what this is. This is something from Fitglow, so I'm really excited. You guys know how I feel about Fitglow. If you haven't seen my video about Fitglow, is it worth the hype? I will link my video up above so you can go check that out. But let's just say I'm excited to get another Fitglow product. And this is their Smoke Lines eyeshadow trio. So I got another eyeshadow trio, which is fun because you guys know how much I have been loving the Fitglow eyeshadow trio. All right, so here it is. And it also didn't come crushed, which I have one from Petit Boar arrive crushed. So I always appreciate when my Fitglow powder products arrive intact. And this is what it looks like. So there's a nice brown, a matte black, and a gray. Here, let me swatch it for you guys. Wow, look at the pigmentation on that black. That is crazy. The pigmentation on all of these is really great. They feel super creamy. I feel like they're going to blend really well. It reminds me of the texture of the Fitglow palette, which is all shimmers, but these are all mattes. It's kind of worth it for me just for that in this box. Oh, wow, I have a couple more products still in here. So this box keeps on giving. This guy looks interesting. Let's check this out. So this is a Gaffer and Child facial scrub. I've not heard of that brand either. Oh man, that lid was stuck. Oh, this is so cool looking. Look at this. It's like white. Here, I'm gonna show it to you on the lid because there's some stuck to the lid and I don't want to spill this out everywhere. But it's like a white scrub and it's got these like little black, it almost looks like chia seeds in it. Let me read the ingredients and tell you what actually is in here. Okay, so it says, stir well, gently massage onto damp skin. Our products are very highly concentrated, so a little bit goes a long way. Also, they give a batch number on here. So this is batch 1959, which I appreciate as well. So if you have a problem with your product, you know exactly what batch it came from. This is a glass container as well. And it has a nice weight to it. So the ingredients in here are distilled spring water, shea butter, cane sugar, emulsifying wax, vegetable stearic acid, rice bran oil, jojoba oil, broccoli seeds, poppy seeds. That's what that was. It wasn't chia, it was poppy seeds. Lavender essential oils, bamboo extract, citric acid, potassium sorbate. This is 100% raw, organic, vegan, and non-GMO. So this is gonna be really cool to try out. It smells nice. It has a lavender scent to it, which I love. I'm a huge lavender fan, so I'm really excited to try this out. So now I have my last two things. They're wrapped up together in this little packet. So let's see what I got. Ooh, one of them, I already know what it is. This is a forbidden lipstick from Ritual de Fille, which I already have two lipsticks from Ritual de Fille. I really do love their lipsticks. I actually don't know what shade Oracle is. Let's see. If you haven't seen my video about Ritual de Fille products, I will link that up above. But I always love their packaging. Their lipsticks come in this nice black packaging with the Ritual de Fille logo on it, and then stars along the side, which I always think is really pretty. Okay, so this is a nice nude shade here. It looks a little bit browner than what I would normally wear, but I'm gonna swatch it and take a look at it because one thing I do know is that Ritual de Fille colors applied look different on than they do in the bullet. The lipstick in Hex is a good example of that. It looks kind of weird and not my favorite in the bullet, but when I put it on, I love it. There it is swatched on my hand. Like I said, it's a little bit more brown than what I typically go for, but you know what? That's a fun thing. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna see how it wears on me. I think depending on what kind of eye look and blush I pair it with, I could get it to work for me. So definitely excited to try this out. I already know that I love the Ritual de Fille lipstick formula, so I'm happy to have another one in my collection. And the final product I'm really excited about because I've only really tried one thing from the brand, and that is New Evolution. I believe I tried their foundation about a year ago when I was trying a whole bunch of foundations, and I liked it. It wasn't my favorite, but I did like it. It was a nice foundation, but this is their mascara in black. I haven't tried it, haven't heard anything about it, so this will be really fun to try out as well. I'm not gonna open it up yet because I have a couple of mascaras going at the moment, so I don't know what the bristle tape of this mascara is, but I'm curious to find out. And I've heard so many good things about New Evolution in general, but I will be holding off on this for a little while, at least until I go through some more mascaras. You can only use a mascara for 3 months, so there's not really a big point in having that many open at the same time, and I already have 3 I'm currently using, so I feel like that's kind of my maximum of mascaras I can use all at once, so I will hold on to this one and try it out later. I'm overall really excited about this box. I'm super excited about Actually, I'm really excited about everything I got in here. Like, I feel like they did a really great job, and this is gonna be a lot of fun to try this all out and play with it. If you'd like to see an update video on how I like these products, be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know if you picked up one of these mystery boxes. If you did, let me know what you got in it. I'm curious to find out. I think it's kind of fun. It's like getting a gift. I bought it for myself, but it's kind of like getting a gift to myself because it's a surprise and I don't know what's in it, so there's a lot of fun in that as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my Instagram. I'll have my handle down below. I'm at naturallybeautifulgirl. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!